Now what you're going to see in this video are about 7 flame tests of known salts. For example, this first one is lithium chloride. And I'll describe what's happening in just a second. What you want to do is record that color that you see there. Okay, so that bright red color is indicative of lithium in a sample. Now what you see there is actually me holding what's called a nichrome wire. And so it's just a little thin piece of metal with a little loop at the end. And what I'm doing is I'm just dipping that loop into each solution. Okay, like for example, the next one coming up is potassium chloride. And the lights are off here so you can see the colors better. And again, you want to record that color. Just describe it how you want to there. You know, I'd call it purple. And then each time I'm dipping it into a solution to clean it, and then into the new known solution. And coming up now is strontium chloride. And again, record the color. So what you're going to do is you record the color for the remaining salt solutions, and then you'll see a flame test for one unknown. And then based on the color of that unknown, then you should be able to determine which compound that unknown is associated with. This one here is barium chloride. The sample coming up here is calcium chloride. And what's happening in this flame test is the heat from the burner is exciting electrons into excited states. And then as those electrons drop back down to the ground state, then they produce the light that you see. This is a classic kind of test in chemistry. This one is copper 2 chloride. That red color at the end is probably some residual strontium is my guess. So you want to record that first color that you saw. And then the last known salt is sodium chloride. And then the last sample here is unknown number 3. And you'll want to record that number in your lab report. So this is unknown number 3. And it's not that orange color that you want to record. It's the other color that you saw at the very beginning. That orange color you see is just some residual sodium that I didn't clean off. And I think that'll do it for this lab. Thanks.